It's not true that rodent infestation is a problem for only poor communities.
You know, boy, I think I'm making a move. You seen me and all that kind of thing.
Things go and carry around here, man. What you want to move for? Friends all around, vendors and fast food joints sharing the fat of the land. Enough grades, any flavor, gutter water. Things nice, man. Things nice.
I hungry for a slower pace. Move on the rat race, you know. Something more urban.
In commercial areas where restaurants throw their waste in gutters and drains and hardware stores leave their garbage piling on the sidewalks, they are doing a better job of catering to the comfort level of rats and mice.
That is not way to play yourself. It's again urban. That's all. How much school shop and shoe shop? Look empty boxes. It's not your private.
Nah, man, I ain't a little beachfront vibe up, so I getting all kind of food and shelter beachside nowadays. How much mall and restaurant with the drain at the back? I good, man, I good.
Domestic or commercial, each one should keep his own space clean and garbage free. Let's take back our space and eradicate rats from the place.